All right, so today we're going to be reviewing Copper John's Beard Company. We've got their new gray beard oil, got a few grays, and also their new daily conditioning wash. So great products, great company, great owner. Tyson's really been doing a good job, and I really like the original blend. So it worked very well for me. It's got the ionic sea minerals in it. So does the new blend. This was a collaboration with Tyson and Dan C. Bearded to come up with this, both the blend and the 2 scents that have been released so far. So we've got Polly's and we've got Skipper. All right, and just right off the bat, there's not a whole lot of difference as far as the thickness of the oil. I would say that the Polly's might, or the gray beard oil might be just a tad thicker, but I think it's more about how it wears in your beard than it is the thickness of it. So I would consider both of them medium. I put a drop of each on my hand this morning, held it up where they were running side by side all the way down. So not a huge difference. You might can tell me, give it a little shake. Here's the original blend. All right, and then here's the gray oil. This one might sound just a little more bloop bloop than this one goes a little bit faster. So maybe just a little bit of difference, but there is quite a bit of difference with the ingredients. So let's see if I can list them both on the screen here so you can compare them. But the gray beard oil has jojoba, castor, which is a little higher on the list, argan, camellia seed, coconut, and then olive oil, which I haven't really seen that in many beard oils that I have used. Ionic sea minerals, fragrance. And you think about the olive oil, I think it was going to coat a little bit better and maybe stick around a little bit longer than some of the stuff in the other blend, like the meadow foam seed. So it's got jojoba, it's the top ingredient. It's got meadow foam seed, which tends to wear a little bit lighter in your beard and kind of absorb more quickly. Argan, coconut, almond, sunflower, apricot, castor, vitamin E, and then once again, they both have the ionic sea minerals. And there's $2 difference in price. The gray oil blend is $21.95. The regular blend's $19.95. By the way, I am an affiliate for Copper John, so you can save 15% with Banjo 15 if you're interested in making a purchase. As like I said, I think it's just going to depend on your beard and which one you like the best. They're both excellent blends. Both of them work very well for me. I probably would tend to like the gray beard oil blends just a little bit better. I do think that both of these, I'm wanting a butter. If I try to go just oil only, I'm wanting a butter about time the 2 o'clock in the afternoon. By the time we get there, I'm thinking I'm wanting just a little bit more in there. So I do think that the gray oil blend coats your beard a little bit more, gives you a little bit more shine, a little bit more styling when you first put it in compared to the regular blend. Now, right now there is no matching butter in either kind of blend for the gray oil. So I would definitely make that a suggestion. So hopefully we see that soon. So we have that. So I asked Tyson, he said right now he's not going to mix the scents across the different lines. So if you're interested in the Polly's or the Skipper, you can only get that in the gray beard oil blend. And if you want any of his other 10 scents that he has, then you can only get that in the original blend. So that is the plan as of now. I'm not sure if that'll change or if we're going to add more scents to this or not. So let's talk about the scents really quick. Skipper, to me, is a Dan C scent profile. It's the lemon lime. And I'm not a huge fan of lemon lime stuff. So it's lemon lime with a twist, but I get Sprite and Mountain Dew is what I get out of this. So if you like Sprite and Mountain Dew, this would be your kind of thing. It's fine for me to wear. I like it okay. I just don't love it. It's not my preferred scent profile. And then the Polly's is basically straight down the middle cologne. It's hard to describe cologne. I can tell you what it's not. It's not like the water cologne, like the cool water. It's not that. It's not dark and spicy. It's kind of more of a medium note cologne, maybe more of like a traditional throwback kind of cologne, but it's bergamot, basil, oak moss, white patchouli, and cherry almond. So you get just a little bit of the cherry almond and then cologne. All right, so kind of traditional cologne is what I get out of that. I would love to see some more scents coming with the gray beard blend. Maybe by the time fall rolls around, we get something a little darker kind of scent. Would be interesting to go along with that. But definitely check it out and do your little compare and contrast and see which blend might work better for you. I think it's basically they're both going to work for you more than likely. You got to see which one you might prefer. Maybe the scent profiles kind of tip you one way or the other. So check that out. Let me know in the comments how things are working for you if you've tried the gray blend. And then we also have the Daily Conditioning Wash. And this one's in the lavender mint. Now he also has neutral, which is unscented, which would be perfect for me. I do get mint, but I get some lavender, and I'm not a fan of lavender at all. But I would tell you this, I want to look at the ingredients. I'm starting to get excited about beard washes just overall. You've seen several reviews from me, but we're starting to have not just the basic, your base shampoo, beard wash stuff, and then you add fragrance to it. You're actually getting more and more that have the oils in it, some of the same oils that you might see in your beard oil, which means it glides through the beard better, and it's going to be more like a daily kind of idea. And that's what this one is. By the way, it's 8 ounces for $19.95, which I think is a very good price. Once again, you can save on that with the discount code. But let me read these ingredients. Once again, it's stuff you can pronounce: coconut oil, sunflower oil, deionized water, vegetable glycerin, guar, citric acid, castor, rosemary, and argan oil. All right. And then this one's got some lavender and stuff in it as well, but I just kind of read it off for the neutral, for the unscented, so you can see what's in there. So once again, you get all those oils going back in your beard, which means it's really easy to glide through. You don't have to work very hard to move it around from one place to the other in your beard. It lathers up exceptionally well. I used it again this morning. I had so much left over, I just threw it on top of my head. I had enough basically in I guess about a quarter size amount, nickel to quarter. I put a little bit extra. Usually you can get away with just about a full dropper. If you think about a full dropper, it's going to be about a dime size amount. And that's really all you need for this, and for my size beard anyway. And it worked all the way through, lathered everything up. It feel a good clean. As far as like how much it strips it, very low. I would say it's kind of between medium and low. It's not super low. Your beard does feel clean. You get a little bit of that kind of squeakiness, but as soon as your beard's dry, then it goes away, and it does not feel super stripped because you're getting all those oils going back in it. So I would say maybe about a 2.2 out of 5 on the strip meter. So if you like that low to but a really good clean, I think this would be a good one for you to check out. So Tyson's been doing a lot of great things. Remember, he's got some awesome soaps that I've reviewed. He's got candles, which I haven't tried out yet. Solid colognes. He's got 12 scents now to choose from, so a wide variety of things. And it's just been doing great things. It's been fun watching his business grow. So let me know in the comments what you've tried or what you would like to see come out with next. So like I said, and another thing I would love to see is an unscented. All right, he's got unscented in the regular blend. I would also love to see an unscented in the gray oil blend. Would be cool because I like using unscented stuff. I know some of you guys do as well. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching. We'll see you soon.